everyone, welcome to our channel Code with Manas. So friends, in the previous video we actually complete the home banner section, but the one thing is pending, that was delete function from the home banner. So in today video also, it is actually 2 minute work to complete that delete data. So I will complete that in this video, and also will try to complete that size and color in the following videos. So friends, if you like this video, please do hit the like button and do subscribe our channel. And if you want to support us, you can also check out this link. If you are like from international, you are going to do international payment, just click on this, enter your details, enter the amount and click on pay, right? And one link is also available in the description box, you can also check out that. And one thing that I have looked at, if you are following the same code that we are doing, so you're also facing some problem about it logging in the admin panel, like you face some problem while logging in the admin panel. Well, I'm clicking on the if you say, I will show you. Yes, when I'm clicking on sign in button, it shows that uncode type error cannot read property of undefined reading URL. So if you go to the network section, it returns 200 uh, 200 status code, that status successfully login, but we are unable to log in the admin panel. So I will tell you firstly why this happens. So basically, yes, this one. So basically, when we did that home banner section, we actually did that result dot data dot URL, right? But when you saw these things, like there is no data object, the URL comes with the message, like it doesn't come with along with, or it doesn't come inside that data object. It actually comes only with the result element, right? So if I will show you profile auth, yes, auth, inside auth controller. So here it is. So this is the status message. So here we are returning this URL, but in actual, when you are looking into this function, we are getting this result dot data dot URL, but in auth controller we don't have any data object, right? So for that I will do one thing, just copy this. Okay, one thing more that I have to on. Okay, yes, no. So copy this, and this is the validation error, and this is the success option, right? Control for. So simply go to the auth controller and paste these things step by step. Firstly I paste this, then this. So when we are returning the error, I actually replace the error with this status error validation this, right? And after that also this one return. Okay, now the URL is message successfully login, and the URL should be admin slash dashboard. That is what we were missing. So I'll actually comment this one. So now here invalid user, just sorry, not this one. Now the error should be status message invalid user, right? I just copy this and paste it over here and comment this one. Now as an invalid user as this well, I just simply copy this and paste it over here and comment this line. Now if I'm trying to login it again, so it actually works now. So finally it works now. Why this happened? Just because that we have data variable, but we don't actually call the data object in auth controller, right? So I just call that trait, this API response inside the auth controller as well, right? Now we have to make a delete function. So for the delete function, I actually create a function inside the admin footer dot blade. So I already have a function. I will show you this one. So I will show you what this function actually. So this is the function delete data where I'm getting ID and table name. So what ID reflects? ID reflects like our normal incremental ID, and table reflects the name of the table. Like if I want to delete from the user table any data from the user table, I simply pass the ID of that row and table name. So table name should like users, and the ID is like 1 or 2 3 4, right? And this is the text, are you sure want to delete? This is the confirm pop-up that shown in like alert as alert, like confirm text that are you sure want to delete. If user press OK, then this will load type text URL admin delete data ID is equal to will send with ID and table. After that, data should be blank, cache this, and if you want to like note down this function, just pause this video and copy the function, right? So this is very simple and easy function, like this only, right? So I actually copy this already just to save the time, as this function doesn't have any like different or any unique thing. So I've just copied this one and go to the banner blade.php, and inside the delete button, this one, right? So this is our delete. So I will write on click is equal to delete data. So in place of ID I will set list ID, and in place of table I will send table name. So what is the name of the table? I will check localhost English ecommerce home underscore banners. So I will simply pass this as table name. Hmm, this one, like this, right? Save it. And now we have to create this admin delete data route. So go to the admin.php. Mm, I will copy this and paste it over here. Our route should be get route. And what is the name of delete data? Delete data, and which controller we should call? Uh, home banner profile controller. I think I should create a controller which should be dashboard controller. In that dashboard controller, we call that delete data, right? So PHP artisan make controller inside admin slash dashboard controller, dashboard controller. Hit enter. Yes, this one, dashboard controller. So simply replace this with dashboard controller and make sure it automatically import the path of the file. So but one thing more, there it is. Admin of footer. So now in the get URL, we are also passing ID and table name, right? So make sure that in the route section you also pass the same things. One should be ID. I think it should be like dollar $ID and dollar table. with question mark. Question mark represents that it should be an optional, very optional data, right? So let me check one thing. No. So just go to the dashboard controller and create this function. Dashboard controller, creating a function, public function, delete data. We have id and dollar table, dollar id dollar table. Uh, okay, and it should be blank. It should be by default. It should be blank, right? So now, dollar data is equal to db table. Name of the table. Mm, name of the table is dollar table. Here id will be equivalent to dollar id. We should delete that. And now we'll just pass successfully updated dashboard controller. But now actually this is the universal function that we call in every file. So here I think will not pass. Wait. So basically this is the universal function. I think we should not pass any URL inside this, and we have to write use db. I think I have to make something that for these functions where we don't send that URL. So in the delete data, okay, fine. So basically it's if result data dot reload is not equal to undefined. Mm, so it's also good, right? So we have to send reload is equal to true. So if it is not equal to undefined, means we have sending the reload option, then it will automatically reload the thing. So it will be good. Just okay. Hmm. Go to the dashboard controller. Hmm. Just write reload home menu, or you can also send reload is equal to true and also use db. Just go there and check it. Refresh home banner, right? Now I will delete this. I sure want to delete. Okay. The route admin said delete data could not be found. Okay. I think we should not write this. I'm a little bit confused about this route. Could not be found. this URL admin slash delete data id and table. Okay, actually this should be look like this. When we are sending the optional parameter, it should be look like this. Okay, delete. Okay, now okay, now the method app controller admin dashboard success does not exist, so it actually goes to the dashboard, but it actually shows the small thing. Now just I think it's a 1 minute work only. Simply go to any controller, copy this and this. Okay, okay, now actually it deletes, right? So also go to the home menu. Now it deletes the thing, right? So this is the small thing in the delete part. So it's a quick video actually. So in the next video we quickly make the size and color field, right? Hope you like the video. If you like the, please do hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you.